This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Richter. 4-bedroom plus den west/closet, 3 Bath Tapia built pool home in Highlands South, an awesome gated community. Gorgeous inside and out. Well appointed and shows like a model. This excellent floor plan features a wonderful formal entry into the living area, dining room and den enhanced with a warm glow of engineered wood floors. Architectural details are evident as you look around with French doors, double crown, header moldings, chair rails, 7 inches baseboards, arched windows and niches, tile inlay etc. King-size master bedroom also has wood floors and a tray ceiling. An elegant master bath features cherry cabinets, granite counters, soaker tub, separate shower, dual sinks, and closets. Large kitchen with custom 42 inches wooden cabinetry installed with Crown and Staggered, granite countertops, huge island with room for 5 bar stools, stainless steel appliances, under and over cabinet lighting, and an aquarium window. Sliding doors and an additional entry from the adjoining comfy tiled family room with double tray ceiling brings you to the kidney-shaped saltwater pool west/fountain, in a screened-in lanai. Your outdoor oasis is perfect for entertaining. Large covered area with multiple spots for lounging, grilling and chilling. Mature landscaping all around this home adds to the privacy and that tropical feel. Granite countertops in guest and pool baths as well as in the spacious laundry room west/sink and cabinets. Oversized garage with plenty of room. Conveniently located to 2 international airports, multitude of shopping and restaurants, and theme parks less than an hour drive. Welcome to paradise, a lifestyle second to none. For more information, review the details below.